Hi, Shane Guilford here from the Cheshire College South and West Crewe campus, hospitality and catering lecturer. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make just a nice quick and simple frittata, so like a flat Spanish egg omelette. So to do that, we're quite fortunate at our house. We've got our own chickens, so we're going to use some of our own bantam eggs. Of course, any eggs will do. Some seasoning, anything you want you can put in it. So I'm going to go for some peppers, spring onion, got some cheddar cheese, some mushrooms in the fridge that need using up. I'm going to cook the lot in a bit of butter and oil. Potatoes, I've just got a tin of potatoes just to use up out the store cupboard. Obviously any potatoes, cooked or raw, of your choice, and some milk just to thin the omelette mixture down. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our ingredients that are going to go in the frittata. Now with these you can have them in raw or cooked. I'm going to cook mine beforehand so it just imparts a little bit of flavour and then add them to the egg as it's cooking in the pan. Start with some onion, just nicely chopped. Next I've just got some medium-sized mushrooms which are looking a little bit tired, so we've just peeled the skin off and we're going to chop those up roughly and put those in as well. Next I'm going to put in just a couple of what we call cheeks, which are the little sides of peppers. So a couple of different colours, and we're just going to cut those into the same sort of size dice as the onion and the mushrooms. Okay, next we've just got 2 or 3 spring onions which I've just topped and tailed, took the outer skin off, and I'm going to chop those up, just put them on the same plate as the other ingredients. So I've just opened the tin of our potatoes. I'm going to take about half a dozen or so out and just cut those into nice little chunks. These are ready cooked, so these can go into the omelette at the last minute just to warm through. Okay, so we've just got some cheddar cheese here, just a couple of nice little pieces. I'm just going to do it on the fine grater. The reason is it just melts that a little bit quicker. And then that's going to go on top of the frittata, and then we're going to gratinate that under the grill. Okay, so the next bit we're going to do is crack the eggs just into a nice bowl. I'm going to season those with salt and pepper. Okay, so I've worked on around 3 eggs per person, so there's just 2 of us having this as well, so it's good eggs in there. Salt, pepper, and just beat that up. Okay, so we're going to add about, I'd say roughly 25 grams of butter to our little frying pan. About the equivalent of vegetable oil. Again, the reason being so we can have the flavour of the butter but heat it up to the temperature of the oil without the butter burning. So to that, we're going to go straight in with our onion. A couple of pieces of pepper or whatever go in there, it doesn't matter. Stir that until it starts to coat in the fat. Next to go in is our peppers, and our mushrooms can go in at the same time. So the onion had about 30-40 seconds, this is going to have about the same. Now because we've got 2 or more ingredients, I'm going to season that. Some salt and some nice black pepper. So they've had about a minute now, and to those I'm just going to add the potatoes and the spring onions. For the simple reason now, I've got all the mixture of the filling, or the topping, whatever it may be, all in the same mixture. Okay, so now we're just going to add a splash of milk to our eggs. Now we're going to preheat our grill nice and high to melt the cheese on top. Got 25 grams of butter with a splash of oil. This is the pan we're going to make our frittata in. So now our butter's melted and nice and hot, we're going to add half of our eggs, and we're having one of these each. To that, just before we start mixing, we're going to add half of the filling, and then start mixing that around the sides of the pan until we get like almost scrambled egg, but we want a nice set flat egg cake in the middle. Okay, so we're more or less there now. So now we're going to press that to our shape, nice circle. Just let that on a low heat just cook all the way through. Okay, so now we're more or less set. So I'm going to put this under the grill now for 1 of 2 times. 1 to fluff up the egg in the middle, and then it's going to come out and top it with the grated cheese, and back under to finish and gratinate. So in we go. Okay, so look at that. We've got a nice golden colour around the edge. It's nice and bubbly. Now we're going to start by adding our cheese and melt that under the grill. And there we have homemade Spanish frittata, some leftover veg that was needed using up, gratinated with cheese and a simple mixed salad. Enjoy!